Hey everybody, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, I'm going to be unboxing an Amazon wig from Christmas. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. This is a wig from Christmas. They sent me this wig to review, and I think that it's a long black wig. So let's open it up and see what's in here. I'll be sure to drop a link down in the description box for this wig. And I said I was always going to keep, reviewing Amazon wigs and things of that nature, and I am. And they sent me this wig to review. So here is, oh, they got swag. Oh, I'm so happy to see this. I haven't had swag in a long time, and I've missed it. So it comes with a wig cap. This is Lucky Lottery Jackpot. I don't know what that is, but I will be scratching that off to see. Now, let's open this wig up and see what's in here. I do like the way that this wig is packaged. I like the fact that it's down here in a little, they've got it kind of condensed down into this. And it says, happy hair, happy life. This wig is from Christmas, and she is a lace front wig. And she is actually a dark brown. She's not totally black. So let's pull this out and see what she looks like. Oh my goodness, she is a long wig. Look at that. Her hair fibers are really soft. She feels really good. Now, I have had several wigs by Christmas in the past, and I've been really happy with them. I really like them. Let's look at the movement. Let's give her a shake. The movement looks really, really nice. It looks like it moves good. I like the curl pattern. I mean, she's just a cute little wig. This is, let's look at the inside. Oh, she has where you can part it in different places. She has a lace front, and she has the combs, the extended nape. She's a closed cap, so this is all good. I mean, and this wig, I think this wig was like 38, 39 bucks. She was really an inexpensive wig. So yeah, look at that, really pretty. She's got the adjustable straps with the little hook, and I like her. I think that's actually a lace. That's not a mono top, that is a lace top, I believe. That doesn't feel like mono, but it could be. When I come back, I'm gonna have this wig on my head. I'll be right back. Okay, now here she is right out of the box. And the lace front, I haven't cut it or done anything because I want you all to see that. That is a pretty natural looking hairline, and it extends all the way out to the ear. Now what I would have to do would be, I would have to cut some of this right in here. I'd have to go in here and work on this because it comes down way past my ear. But look at that. Now I think the part needs a little bit of plucking, and that's something that you would want to do possibly if you purchase this wig. I'm not used to having this much hair. So let me turn around and let you guys see. Hang on just a second. I am not 100% certain that this is going to be my absolute, ooh, I can't get my glasses on. I'm not sure this is going to be my best look, but I sure think she is a fun look. So let me go back in, do something with this lace, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am in the wig after I have put it on. Now let me just say right off the bat, I do not think that this wig is going to be my best look. I simply don't. I think it's way too much hair, and I think it's a little dark for me. But having said that, I do think the fibers for an inexpensive wig, this wig feels pretty doggone good. Now, I did not cut the lace front. What I did was I just tucked it under because I am probably going to be donating this wig to the infusion center because this is just simply too much hair for me. But I may actually, I may do a giveaway with this wig in one of my groups. I don't know. But I do think the wig is definitely worth the money. I do. I think this is a good buy. So if you want a wig that's got longer hair, I think this is I think this is a good buy for this wig. I like the wig. I think it's really cute. And it's got a brown, I mean, it looks black. It's picking up black in my viewfinder, but when you see it in person and underneath the lights, it's a brown, a really dark brown. So I'm going to play with this wig just a little bit, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so just in case I wanted to channel my inner cowgirl, I threw my little cowboy hat on my head, and I thought, well, let's see what it looks like with that. And I actually like it with this. I think it's really cute. I think it's got a really cool vibe about it. I do kind of like this. I think it's cute. Let's turn around one more time. Let you see the back of this wig. I mean, it's down to my waist. Now, I am really short, so it may not come down to your waist, but I think this wig is cute. Now, let me go get a couple of head wraps. Let me play with it. I'll be right back. Okay, so here she is with a head wrap. And as you can see, this looks a little bit better. I think it's because I have her, I have her tamed down just a little bit in through here. So I do think this would be a fun little look, a fun wig for the fall and winter. And I definitely think with her having that closed cap, she would for sure keep your head warm. Now, again, as I said, the fibers feel really good. There's a little bit of shedding. I can get a little bit of hair off of here, but I don't know that it's any more than I'd pull off of any other wig. She's cute. The fibers feel good. And I think this would be a fun, enjoyable little wig to create a specific look for a specific time and purpose. I like her. I think she's adorable. So let me do a couple of other things. I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am in the wig, and what I've done is I have braided this in a couple of pigtails. And I think now that I've got it managed a little bit better, I really am going to enjoy this wig. I still don't think I look very good in my hair this dark, but you know what? I think the wig is cool. And I was thinking to myself, when I review wigs, I know that every wig I put on my head is not going to look fabulous on me. But I try to do a big variety of stuff for you guys because I know that you all want to see wigs of all different kinds. So that's why when a vendor contacts me, unless that wig is just absolutely hideous, I will review the wig because I know that there are folks that like these long dark wigs. There are folks that like really long wigs. Now, I don't think I look good in them, but you know what? That's okay, because there's a lot of folks out there that are really going to like and enjoy this wig. And as far as the wig itself, I think I've got a couple of wigs by Chrisma. I think this is another good wig by Chrisma. I think it's cute. And I also think that I could wear if I wanted to just go totally urban cowboy. I think I could, right like this, with this wig. I like it. I think it's cute. Now, something else that I could do is I could certainly take it loose from this. And I could wear it right like this if I wanted to. But what I probably would do is I like doing like a do-rag. I love that look. So I would probably do like a little do-rag with this. And leave my pigtails in here. I mean, sometimes I just want to look like a biker chick. And I think this certainly fits that bill. I like it. Let me turn around, let y'all see one more time. I don't think any of the wefts are showing, but I usually try to make sure when I do my hair in pigtails that I do it down low here and I don't part it. I just kind of separate it right here at the neck. I've never had any trouble doing that with the wefts showing, but you know, there's always a first time for everything. You guys, hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless you guys. Maranatha, guys.